See you working with it, you the bomb, mommy. I'm in the full curve, serving up that hot punani. Dripping coochie, no Gucci, coochie gripping, no Lucy. I'm holding it, it's holding me till I get that prize like the Fugees. No panic if it dips, no, I throw the money. I cop a couple of coochie, go give me that honey. It is that coochie gang club, bang, our luxury talk. Now fill that wallet up and get behind that coochie walk. Come on. Watch that coochie walk. Watch that coochie walk. Watch that coochie walk. Watch that coochie walk. Coochie granting wishes like a genie on the block. Chain, luxury mean coin not for lames. Mucho fuego, caliente, effing hot. Don't miss out, pendejo, falling short, carry hard. Coochie on the rise like Kundalini. Can't take your eyes off it, huh? See-through bikini. Coochie wet, iridescent Lamborghini. Coochie gang running it beneath the Mussolini.
Hulk Hogan, we coming for you, nigga.
Looking for a reliable crypto exchange? Look no further than Fairdesk.com. Trusted by Crypto Blood for over 2.5 years, Fairdesk powers Bloodalytics, its proprietary trading system known for highly accurate buy and sell signals. CB has trusted Fairdesk's reliable system for years to enhance his trading strategies with Bloodalytics. It's the backbone of consistently beating the market. So join CB and trade with confidence. Use the link in the description below and get 1 month free of Bloodalytics signals. Fairdesk.com. Trade smarter, trade better.
This my two Satoshis. Who need 2 cents when they can get double from stacking Toshis? Yeah, this my two Satoshis. This my two Satoshis. Tune in and get the latest and greatest from stacking Toshis. This my two Satoshis. This my two Satoshis. Who need 2 cents when they can get double from stacking Toshis? Yeah, this my two Satoshis. This my two Satoshis. Tune in and get the latest and greatest from stacking Toshis.
Yeah, that's where you need to get the real news at. Stop messing with them lames out there. CBTV. Me out of here.
How? Fuck it. Do it live. I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live.
We'll do it live. It's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. That's right. Wild weekend, my friends. Wild weekend, as I think Top Signal said. Shout out to Top Signal. Shout out to D Fuentes. Shout out to Wisdom Bars. And shout out to Caffeinated Crypto. All right, ladies and gents, it's that time. We're doing it live. I want to just first say, actually, you know what? Before I do that, I got to ask, who won last week on the giveaway? And did I pay you? Let me know who won. I can go back and look, but just let me know because I don't have time right at the moment. We're doing the live stream, but I just want to make sure you got paid last week. We're doing it again this week. $50 worth of. We're gonna just go ahead and do a Solana again. It's just I'm being lazy, ladies and gents. You can convert it to whatever you want, so it really doesn't matter. We're just gonna do another $50 worth of Solana this week. But you know, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to smack that like booty right now for me, if you will. All right. Hit that like button. Support the channel. Support the movement. And most importantly, if you're on X pills right now, if you're on X, you got to follow me. I'm getting a lot of views on X, but I'm not getting the followership that you know should follow through after those views. So definitely give your boy a follow over on X. And if you're watching on Rumble, please follow me there as well. We're at let's see, 886. Let's get to 888, ladies and gents. Let's get the numerology going out here in these streets. Welcome, guys, again to the show. We got Enso in the house. We got anything for clicks in the building. They trying to get your boy out of here. Hey, that's why I got I'm cooning today, boy. It's make America great again today, man. It's been that way. You guys know I've been a Trump supporter through and through since I started the channel. And again, I told Rice this the other day. This is why my channel has been shadow banned, because I've been, saying, hey, I think Trump is legit. He ain't perfect. The vocabulary ain't the widest. Okay. But he knows how to get the job done, in my opinion. I thought he was the best. And now, I'm sorry, man, this is the best president I ever seen in my life. This story you can't make up. We live in a simulation. Round of applause for living in a simulation. Just nicked by the bullet. Oh my God. Come on, TH. Don't do me like that, bro. It's no way Trump pulled a Jesse Smollett. No freaking way. You don't get nicked. You don't even attempt to. And this is the thing. I heard someone saying this over the weekend. Why would Trump pull a Jussie, when he's in the lead? Like, he can coast through and not say another word and just watch old Sleepy Joe bury himself. You know what I mean? Like, not going to happen. Yeah, we're in the Matrix. We're in the Matrix for sure. We got Mark Belsky in the building. What's going on, brother? Thank you for the huge support. Again, it's Monday, so we're giving away money this week. Let's see how many people we got on the... Well, I could show the actual wheel, and I will do that. But we do have Caffeinated Crypto and Blockchain Report on the wheel this week for their super chats. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. He wanted to be like Reagan. Nah, man. Nah, dog. This is a real deal, Holyfield, man. The guy upstairs or the guy behind the computer or whoever you think is running this reality or simulation, it ain't his time. It ain't his time. And it only helped him. The right and left are a part of the same bird, John says. Yeah, you're right. But Trump ain't a bird. You know what I'm saying? He ain't a bird. That's the problem. That's why they're trying to take his ass out. J.D. Vance is going to be his VP out of Ohio. He announced it. You know who I was hoping that would be his VP announcement? Not going to lie. I don't like the black dude. God, I'm drawing a blank right now. He's cool, but he's too, like, cookie cutter. I heard him over the weekend on Fox, and he's like, we got to just, we're coming out of, we're prayer, and I'm just coming from the church, and I had my prayer partner this morning, and we need to pray for Donald Trump and blah blah blah. It was just too canned. Tim Scott is his name. I like him, but I don't like him for a VP. Now you got to be rough and rugged. You got to be real. You can't be all canned messages. We ain't looking for that. America is done with that shit. Tim Scott, yeah, we done with that, Tim. That shit ain't going. He's just a black version of Mike Pence in my opinion. Al Sharpton's going to be his VP. I'm leaving tomorrow. That's the case. I was hoping that one of two people, I would love to see a Tulsi Gabbard. Okay. Ex-Dem, moved to the Republican side. I like her message. She's also been pretty much shadow banned by the DNC. Or I really want to see RFK Jr. That would be epic. In a time like this, that's the perfect VP in my opinion. But I don't like Tucker. I mean, I like him, but I don't like him actually. He does good reporting and stuff, but I don't like Tucker. F. Tim Scott. I'm in South Carolina. He ain't shit. I can see right through it. I already know Enzo. You ain't got to tell me. Trump might come out to Mini-Man. Hey man, I know you guys saw the Get Rich or Die Trying with Trump head on the picture over the weekend, and I came up with a new line. I said, "Become the president or die trying." That's what's going on here. He's gonna try to become the president or die trying. RFK, yep, that would be dope. Yep. RFK, the dark horse pick. Yeah, man, that would bridge the gap between common sense Democrats. A lot of people were liking him. Of course, the Demon National Convention or DNC people, they don't want him either. They won't, they deny him Secret Service. So you got to look at the evidence. Whoever they do things like deny Secret Service and won't let you debate and all that stuff, that's a clue. That should be context clues, ladies and gentlemen. Use your brains. It's typically the best interest for the people. I'm just going to be honest with you. John Hill says, Tulsi is trash. Let me know why. Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe I'm just blinded by she kind of fine. You know, I kind of, you know what I'm saying? But at any rate, ladies and gents, let's get into it. Let's stop talking about politics, though. I really shouldn't be talking about nothing but politics. It's a very critical time in America right now. I don't think a lot of people are taking it as serious as it is. We literally had an attempted assassination on an ex-president. That's big, man. Shit should just stop, like, for a minute and just regroup. She average. I don't know, man. She's the best looking female politician I've seen, so maybe that's why I'm, you know, going a little bit far with it. Tommy Maureen in the building. Critical time? Yeah. You in the Matrix. Where's the bars? How am I in the Matrix, bro? I'm out of the Matrix. Coochie Gabbard. There we go. There we go. Coochie Gabbard. That's right. Yep, people are chilling like nothing happened. Ain't that crazy, King Chris? Shout out to King Chris, man. He joined the might as well do this real quick on cue if I have it, and I don't. Sorry, can't even do it. Actually do it. No, I don't. I was gonna bring up Blood Analytics. Can't even do that right now. But shout out to King Chris because he signed up for the free month of Blood Analytics, and I think he's sitting pretty right now. And he caught the tail end of the trades we were in the middle of, so he didn't even get the full. He didn't even get the full blue magic. You know, he did this and it numbed him a little bit, but he didn't get the full blue magic. John Hill says AOC the best looking, but she trash too. AOC, she too skinny for me. You know what I'm saying? Tulsi seemed like she got a little bit more meat on her bones, but hey, who am I? Trump is doing his part in the matrix of political theater. All right. Hey, I respect your opinion, bro. Here you get to express your opinion. It's not an echo chamber over on Crypto Blood's channel. So I don't care what you say, man. As long as you say it. That's all I got to say, man. But yeah, join Blood Analytics. Over the summer, I normally give a free month to individuals. So click the link in the description below. Shout out to Fairdesk. And Fairdesk, my man Crypto Keeper just linked up with Fairdesk for this season of Trading Wars. Everyone is loving it. A resounding, oh yeah, this is nice. UI nice. Trades go through. Market orders, you don't get charged 5 arms and 3 legs. Nah. Check it out. Fairdesk, link is in the description below. You will definitely enjoy it. Even if you don't sign up for Blood Analytics, I think you will definitely enjoy it. All right. Let's go ahead and kick this thing off because we do have a lot to talk about today. Will this assassination attempt kick off the rally for Bitcoin this year, the rest of this year? You might be surprised at how I feel about that. Okay. Tune in, stay around towards the end. I'll give you my full analysis on that. Because you might be surprised at my answer on this. Okay. Now, again, we haven't seen this chart since Friday, if I'm not mistaken. AOC got the call, the cops on your type coochie vibe. I agree. Yep. Definitely agree with you on that one. Thought is energy. Shout out to you, bro. So, this is where we were last week. Let's see if I line this up correctly. Friday. So Friday, no, I didn't do it. I didn't do a show Friday. Did not do a show Friday. Did a show Saturday, I believe, with Rice. And I'll talk about that in a minute because we got another Too Hot for YouTube coming up. Tell you about that in a second. But Thursday was the last show I did. Okay, it was a trading show. I said, hey, we may bounce off this line, which this line here was drawn before we even got to here. But we bounced right off of it. And then Saturday we had the assassination attempt, and we just kind of rallied after that. Now, surprisingly enough, I'm not even going to give you the spoiler, so I'm going to keep those opinions and those comments for later in the episode. But clean bounce technically off of that turquoise line, that baby blue line, and we were off to the races. When I saw that bounce, I was like, ooh, that's a nice catch by the Bulls. We did get a slam down here on Friday at 3 p.m. And then the following candle, we had a wick. I forgot what this one is called. This is an indication on a very strong, this is the hour, but this is an indication of a nice reversal. To see the bears pull us all the way down, and before the hour candle closes, you get all the way back up here. That shows signs of nice support by the Bulls, and we went off to the races after that, and we ain't looked back since. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm liking that we pulled off those lows, because guess what? I think we still have some headwinds. Some headwinds to get through. Okay, we got to get through some things fundamentally in the markets, and I'll go through that in a second. But I just wanted to give you a visual really quickly on where we are. This is resistance area, a confluence of two trend lines. Okay, the blue one is the main one you want to watch. This secondary one is just another trend line that I drew from back here on starting on June 24th, last Monday, or a couple Mondays ago. But the main one is this blue one here. So we need to stay above this trend line, the blue one, dark blue one, for me to feel comfortable. We can see maybe about 12 hours. You know my rule, 12 to 18 hours trading above this region. It gives me more, conviction to go, if you're waiting to go long or add to your position here. Okay. Now, this is not a trading episode, but I gotta show you guys what's going on with Bloodalytics and those trades we have open or had open from last week. Now, on the Bloodalytics side, ladies and gents, we looking real coochie. So I'm just gonna show you one pair really quickly, which is let's show you Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin trade, as we speak, Bitcoin kind of toggled back and forth, I believe, and we're actually going short now, or attempting to go short or close some of that long right now. Let me see if I can pull. Yeah, so this is the ETH trade. So this ETH trade right here, guys, is looking hella good. Okay, we went long back on Friday, June 12th. We rolled that up, closed that long, and went short here on Saturday at 8 o'clock. And then we did a small profit, but then we turned around and went long again, ladies. And we rolled that bad boy up and tried to go short again, but turned around and went long. And we just been tearing it up on the way up. All right, so shout out to everyone. We'll over on Bloodalytics. All right, now let's get back over to the articles, because we want to talk about what's going on with crypto investment products, the inflow. So we see, we saw a $1.4 billion inflow last week from crypto investment products. What type of crypto investment products? Well, we're talking about the ETFs. All right, so Bitcoin led with a $1.35 billion inflow, while Ethereum attracted 72 million, anticipating a spot ETF approval. So this is not actually into the funds. I think this is just money coming in via spot. June saw a 17% drop in spot trading volumes, though, and a 19% decline in derivatives trading across major exchanges. So it's the summer. We typically do see a little lighter volume profile, especially on equities. So that's probably why we're seeing that. Okay. I'm I'm hearing rumblings of they're going to get aggressive with these interest rate cuts. But that was before this assassination attempt. I don't know what Powell's going to do now. Like, it really would be political, or look to be political, or viewed as politically charged if he does anything now. So we might not get any rate cuts, guys. I'm just going to be honest with you. You know, in an effort to not be political, you end up being political. Round of applause for that. Retards, boy, I tell you. So we're seeing an influx in volume, which is always good. That's the hidden indicator you want to look at. So spot trading volume on major sexes. Binance, of course, at the top. This is for the month of May to June. So it was down across the board, really, except for MEXC, the DGen capital of the world, and HTX. I don't even know what that is. That hit BTC or hit? I don't know who that is. But we did see an inflow last week. So this could be a slight something to look at, a stat to say, hey, maybe we're starting to see the momentum shift, the sentiment shift in the crypto markets. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But again, right now, this is the area of confluence, and an area I think you're going to see some resistance. We've had a huge run up with minimum pullbacks all the way from the low here off that line. That's a 12% move up, ladies and gents. So a break and a retracement is expected by me and would be healthy to see, if you ask me. Another reason we may see the move up, besides the main reason that I'm sure all of you are thinking there's some correlation to, is the spot ETF possibly being approved this week. So Nate Garassi, president of ETF Store, predicts that the spot ETF for Ethereum will come this week. Matt Hogan from Bitwise highlights minimum amendments in these ETF filings as a positive sign. Market analysis foresees significant market impact and ETH price action following the ETF launch. So it's crazy because we were talking about this on Trading Wars earlier today. I actually see the spot ETF for Ethereum being baked in. I don't see much impact, and matter of fact, I see a sell-off. I don't know why. Over and over, it's like Groundhog's Day. Why we can't figure out and understand that it's buy the rumor, sell the news. It happens almost every time. Why would it be different this go round? The only scenario where you're going to see a sell the rumor and sell the news is the Mt. Gox situation. That is a scenario where people sold the rumor, as the market should, trying to get out of the way. Now it's great that we've eaten up that whole move down. We're literally at par from when we start hearing the rumors right here of Mt. Gox issuance of $7.7 billion hitting the markets this month. So we got the huge sell-off. Okay. Or was it back here? May have been June 22nd. We started hearing rumblings, or right here. I don't know which one it was. But we're right at that zone where we this is a big area of resistance. And again, it's a confluence. Because as you see here, I'm not going to draw a perfect line because I want to really illustrate this. Look at this. Boom. Right there. So this was a nice area of support over here. Right here. This was a nice double top of resistance right here. And it's 3 strikes. You're out. So I didn't even realize this was going on. I was just paying attention to the 2 areas of confluence right here. But add that third one. This is a very strong area of resistance. So just be prepared. I can't tell you what it's going to do, but I'm just giving you areas of when something could happen. And this is an area to watch for sure. But at any rate, I think, so back what I was saying about Mt. Gox. Mt. Gox is a sell the rumor, sell the news. So when the news comes out, we're going to get another sell-off. Okay, not when the news comes out, when the actual wallets start getting their disbursements of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, 7.7 billion altogether, you will start seeing a sell-off, some pressure. But the good thing is, this is what I was saying earlier on Trading Wars. I'm glad we got the reverse back up, because now technically, when you start getting the sell-off and some sell pressure, we may do something like this, which is what I think. I'm glad we compensated, because now we may get something like this. And then as the sell-off pressure starts hitting the markets over the next month or so, we may get something of a bounce along the $53,000 range for Bitcoin. So now my targets have slightly changed, or my bottoms have come up a little bit. Pause, no diddy. I think that, anything sub 50K is not an option, ladies and gentlemen. It's just not an option. In my opinion, it's just not an option. And Elmo will have to wait to resurrect another Easter, my friend. So, yeah, I don't think that this spot ETF in the short run is going to have significant impact on the markets. Long term, yeah, this is bullish. You're going to get a lot of money inflow through these new channels, where it's going to add more liquidity and buoy the markets higher and higher. Of course, X any black swan, gray swan, or slowing of the economy. The economy slows down, I don't care what Bitcoin looks like or what Bitcoin is going to do to fiat currencies. If people ain't got money, ladies and gentlemen, they ain't buying Bitcoin. Okay, they're selling it. They need to put food on the stove. They need to heat the home. So there are many things above crypto that the normal people will need to do. So that's why that's still something to keep in mind. And at that fourth quarter, for me, Q4 is very critical. We got to hit a new high in Q4, by Q4, sometime in Q4, because that's our moment. That's our window of opportunity to take out $74,000 Bitcoin and make all-time highs, which I still think is in play. But you do have to worry about, or keep in the back of your mind, that Mt. Gox supply has still not hit the markets yet. They still have not hit the markets yet. People got like amnesia or Joe Biden syndrome, where you forget. But don't forget, I'm reminding you, the money still has not hit the markets yet. Just saying. Enso says, basically, we're all strapped up for July crypto, and literally. There you go. There you go, my friend. Supposedly, the Mt. Gox payout in Bitcoin will be the dollar value of when Mt. Gox went down. Japan may be taking the U.S. playbook and shafting normies. So if that is the case, it still wouldn't matter, and that's unfortunate. Top Signal, that's definitely unfortunate, and doesn't surprise me. Governments are in business to shaft you, but it still is. It's still the money. It's still in Bitcoin. So you're going to inherently have a percentage of that payback, whatever the price is, even if you only get back what you put in nominal dollar amount or value. It's still going to be in Bitcoin. So people are going to most likely take a little bit of that money off the table. In my opinion, I think a lot of people are going to take a lot of bit of that money off the Bitcoin Cash table. Hence why I told you guys shorting Bitcoin Cash is really the play more than shorting Bitcoin, because I think Bitcoin Cash is going to get slaughtered. Trump just announced J.D. Vance for his VP. Womp, womp, womp. Bad move, in my opinion. Bad move. Sub blood. I still see a path to sub 40K. Cash is stacked. Doubled my account since I switched to trading stocks. Shout out to Polar Bear, man. I can't see 40K, bro. That is a stretch. At this point, that bounce saved us. That bounce Thursday saved us, in my opinion. Now, if we would have broken through that trend line right there, the turquoise trend line, yes, 40K was definitely 48K, and maybe a wick to 40K to see Elmo. Hey, Elmo, how you doing there, buddy? All right, buddy, there you go. Crypto Blood's white man voice. We could have seen 48, sub 48, something like that. Now, I don't see it happening now, bro. I just don't see it happening. But, hey, that's what makes the markets, right? Varying opinions. Last article. Actually, I'm not going to do the last article. We're going to spin the wheel, ladies and gents. Spin that wheel, baby. It's that time giving away $50 worth of Solana today. Get your Solana wallets ready right now. I'm sorry I should have told you this at the beginning of the episode, but I forgot. So have your Solana addresses ready right now as I set up everything. The wheel is already, populated. We're ready. We're locked and loaded. We're ready to go. All right. We have 57 entries this week. Let me get my stopwatch or timer. Let's get the timer up. All right. Put that to 1 minute. As you guys see here, we got the timer locked and loaded. And let's get a little music queued up. And we're ready to roll, ladies and gents. Let's go.
Hulk Hogan, we coming for you, nigga.
All right, let's shuffle it up. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Let me know if I paid out last week. I think I did. I can't remember. Been crazy. So let me know. If not, I'll do the payout today. I think I did, though. But let's go ahead and spin that wheel, ladies and gentlemen, and see who is going to get that $50 today. Who we got? Who we got? R Chrome. I'm pretty positive he's not in the building. I haven't seen him in a while. Caffeinated Crypto said, yep. All right, brother. Thank you. I think Caffeinated Crypto won last week. You got 45 seconds, R Chrome, to get us your Solana address, my friend. While we wait, make sure you guys hit that like button, share this video, and if you're watching on X, go ahead and give me a follow. It's rigged. Top Signal going to win. Take home the prize. Oh, man. Top Signal's been on a roll, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to Top Signal. All right. R Chrome, you out of here, homie. Sorry, let's shuffle it up again and do it one more time. Hopefully one more time. And only one more time. I want to get back to this article here, ladies and gents. See what we got. Oh, my God. You got to be kidding me. It is rigged. It's rigged. It's rigged. Top Signal wins again. He's the GOAT, ladies and gentlemen. He's the GOAT. He might take Trump's spot, man. I'm not gonna lie. Now, last, let's see. No dominion vote here. Yeah. Are you sure there, buddy? Are you sure? Are you sure? Crypto Angels in the building. I haven't seen him in a while. No, Crypto Angels, you didn't win, man. You gotta become a YouTube Premium member. All right, $3 is the minimum, a month, or you could just super chat. If you're feeling lucky one week, you want to super chat, you're on the wheel, my friend. Shout out to him. I haven't seen him in a while. Shout out to him. But Top Signal, I didn't even start the damn clock. Damn. Top Signal, get us that salon address right now. Look, you guys complaining, but the truth of the matter is Top Signal has been giving and giving and giving. He super chats every week, you know, every other week or almost every week. He's a top tier YouTube premium member at the friendship level. He's paying $25 a month to the channel. I appreciate your support. So, you know, it's all proportionate to how much you're giving and how much you take up on the wheel. So you know, let's not complain, ladies and gents. You want to knock him out, give a little bit more to get on that wheel, baby. As he's done. Now, Top Signal, I can't see so far. Let me know if you got the shout out to Caffeinated Crypto. T Will's busy right now, but he's been a multi winner as well, because he's been giving a lot over the span of the last 3 months. So listen, man, it's the giver's game. It's the giver's game. You give, you get. It's how the law of the universe works. So shout out to Top Signal. He sent me the his Solana address. All right, we'll get you locked and loaded. He also gave a $10 super chat. All right, round of applause to that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and duplicate this one really quickly. And we're going to get him on the wheel for next Monday, which is the 22nd. So let's do that really quickly. Boom, boom, boom. 22nd. We'll just go ahead and put Top Signal there. $9.99. And then we got Caffeinated Crypto. He's back with a 10-piece. Thank you, my friend. Get that out the way. All right, man, there you go. You guys are on the wheel, plus all of my YouTube premium members in addition to that. So appreciate it. T Will in the building. Good to see you, my friend. Let me know when you got that shirt. I want to see that shirt. Drop us an image of that shirt in the YouTube members Telegram room. Definitely would love to see that. Now, before I go any further, this evening at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it's going down, ladies and gentlemen. Too hot for YouTube, baby. Too hot for YouTube. It's going down. So we will have a redirect to the Rumble and X streams. So come by, join us. We got some more breaking news or evidence. This shit just lets you know we definitely live in a simulation. Okay. We're pointing at a flag that's kind of curled up in, some say, the shape of an angel. Some say a bird or whatever. I don't know, however you want to look at it. All right. We're going to be talking about this, plus some other developing news from the President Trump attempted assassination. So come out uncensored. It won't be on YouTube. We'll have a redirect. You have to, click the link in the description of that video and join us. And we're going to have some fun tonight. All right. So come on over. The wheel is rigged. Absolutely. Absolutely is rigged. Not, my friend. Not at all. It's just law of averages, or law of percentages. You have a larger piece on the pie. Hey, you got a higher probability of that thing rolling on you. Uncensored, always great. Thank you, Mr. Tequila. I'll drop you that in the chat. Definitely send me one. That'll be great. Are you selling them online too? I'll definitely rep it and send people your way. It's statistics, baby. There you go, Top Signal. Playing the odds. So, lastly, Bitcoin breaks above 63K after Trump survives assassination attempt. This is what this headline says. The price of Bitcoin rose 4.4% on Monday, Trump's survival of an attempted assassination increased the pro-crypto candidate's chances of winning the election, one expert commented. Oh, no shit, Sherlock. It's a done data. He is the president of the United States come 2025. Unless they attempt another, you know what, deletion, which Alex Jones, I was watching him on Tim Dillon's show earlier today, and this brother was smoking a square on camera. I said, oh, this guy, shit is getting real. When you got Alex Jones smoking a square on camera live, it's getting real, ladies and gentlemen. He said they're gonna try to take him out, Trump, one more time, baby, one more time. Hope not. We'll see. By any means necessary, they on their Malcolm X over there on the Democrat side. I tell you that much. But Trump survived, they say, the assassination attempt over the weekend, which the market interprets as significantly increasing his chances of winning the future election. In the past few months, the presumptive Republican Party candidate for the upcoming presidential election has proclaimed his advocacy for the local blockchain and cryptocurrency sector. I don't know what that means. Trump's campaign accepts cryptocurrency donations and has vowed to support Bitcoin mining in the White House. Now, this is great news right here. I'm in this one. I got a few of those NFTs. I ain't forgotten where they were. I got to go look, which is good. I'm probably sitting pretty heavy right now with the NFTs. So those definitely rose, but I don't think this is the mistake though. This is a causation correlation fallacy going on right here, ladies and gents. Just because something correlates does not necessarily mean it is the causation of it. All right. And that's what I think is going on right here. The bounce was going to happen. Is a little bit of this because of Trump surviving an assassination attempt? I give it 10%, maybe 15% of this rally is because of that. But the bounce occurred before Trump, the attempted assassination, ladies and gents. Okay, that happened. The technical bounce happened on Thursday. Okay. Friday at 2 p.m., we had a nice V-shaped recovery. We got a slam down on Friday at 3 p.m. But as we rose, we recovered from that. And by 5 a.m., let's think about this. 5 a.m. Saturday, Eastern Standard Time, we had eclipsed that drop. So this has all of this up until when Trump, the attempted assassination, which occurred at what time? About 6 o'clock. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just doing this live. I didn't even think about this. This right here is the bump from the assassination. Right here. Okay. That all this before this, all this right here, let me bring another rectangle, triangle, whatever. I'm going to color this green. All of that, ladies and gents, had nothing to do with a Trump assassination attempt. Okay? It's the causation correlation fallacy that, I mean, you know, these guys got to, you know, they got to get eyeballs. So the crypto media and even probably Main Street media, financial, TradFi media are probably correlating this because they just need a headline for you to click. But it had absolutely nothing to do. I can't say absolutely nothing, but the very small amount of this rally had to do with Trump being shot at, sniped at. Okay. So I'm just breaking it down. That's my 2 Satoshis on that. This is, and it actually should make you feel even better that it didn't have much to do with a one-off event, we can't call that a black swan, ladies and gents. It's not a black swan. That's a gray swan. We knew this shit was probably going to happen. They character assassinated him. 2015 all the way up through his whole presidency. After his presidency, through Biden's run, they ain't got shit else to talk about, so they still had Trump on their tongue. Okay, they hit him with the collusion with Russia, Ukraine, dossiers, all fake planet. And I don't know how people got away with that. They did. How do you get away with framing someone? I don't know. Spent what, $40 million, the FBI, to find out the Steele dossier and all that shit was all planted and fake by our yours truly, Hillary Clinton, ladies and gentlemen. So he did all this shit all these years, and the second to final attempt was to hit him in the pockets. So they hit him in the pockets, hit him with a $500 million lawsuit, and this lawsuit, rape charge. Then the list goes on and on and on. And after all that shit didn't work, the only last thing they can do is put a bullet in his head. That's the only last thing you can do. Because Teflon Don, everything else failed. So we knew this was a gray swan event. Something that we knew could happen. Okay, that could negatively impact things. But yeah, this rally has little to do with Trump, ladies and gents. Sorry, can't be sensationalized over here. Little to do with Trump, more to do with technical bounces, which is, again, better that it is that than Trump, because, again, a one-off event fades. Okay, if it was all Trump, you would have seen this fade. This was a bounce, which is good. And the only thing left to worry about is the Mt. Gox supply. Only president to get poorer. There you go. There you go, my friend. There you go. So think about that. Only president to get poorer. All the other ones got richer under their presidency. So damn. If you can't commend him and respect that guy for that, it is what it is. And you're totally you have your opinion. You can own that. I have no problem with that. The Chevron difference case settled by the Supreme Court last week was a big deal. It destroyed the power of the SEC to blanket crypto as a security. I didn't even know about this, Top Signal. Maybe we'll talk about this on the next episode of my Two Satoshis. But something else really quickly, since we're on this politics shit, and sorry, because it is worthy of talking about, guys. I'm sorry. Everything ain't about crypto. Okay. But the other thing, ladies and gents, that happened, speaking of something being overturned, is I don't know if you guys heard about this, but this just came out earlier today. Judge dismisses Trump's Florida classified documents case. Yet another Teflon Don. The nigga, how many are we at now? Like, is he like 8-0? Is he 10-0? He's putting up Floyd Mayweather numbers out here, ladies and gents. This guy's undefeated. He's undefeated. But that's it for today, ladies and gents. Shout out to Top Signal again for being such a huge supporter of the channel, and it's paying off for you. So I encourage all of you to support the channel with your attention and your time. That's number one, because that's something that we can't get back. So I greatly appreciate that. And if you can, with your monetary help. So that would be greatly appreciated to keep things moving, to keep me getting more people on here. I don't have to do this stuff. I do it because I like it and I love doing this, and to pass some time. My Crypto Space UK in the building. As you guys know, I ain't making no money off this YouTube stuff. You see the numbers. But yeah, support me. Support me. All love, Detroit forever. There we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Detroit in the building, 313. Stand up. That's it, ladies and gents. That's my Two Satoshis. for the day. See y'all at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time with my boy Rice. Too hot for TV, not TV, YouTube. And looking forward to seeing you there. All right, we had a crazy nice stream over the weekend. We had Hotep in the building. Shout out to Hotep. Thanks he took time out of his family reunion, ladies and gentlemen, to come holler at me and Rice. So I greatly appreciated that. We had a great time with Hotep over the weekend. If you missed that, that is on my Rumble. And matter of fact, I will drop that in the chat right now for you to go watch before our stream at, oh snap, didn't mean to do that. There we go. And let me see if I can drop it in the X stream really quickly. The X chat. Let's see. I'll put it as a, let's do it like this. All right, so check that out as well. Bada boom, bada bing. I put it at the bottom of my live stream, and I'll put it in the chat. Let's do that too. Round of applause. Let's get it everywhere. All right, man. So that's it, ladies and gents. Appreciate your attention, your time, and I will see you at 7 o'clock tonight, Eastern Standard Time. I'm out of here, people. Holla.
I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live.
Okay.